Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is I, Kashif Hussain, an English language instructor and a motivational speaker. I welcome you on my YouTube channel, AK Coaching Center. How are you today? Are you doing well? I hope so. Well, today I would like to talk to you about present continuous. Present continuous एक ऐसा टेंस है जिसमें बात की जाती है एक ऐसे एक्शन के बारे में जो कि ongoing situation हो, or at the time of speaking the situation is going on. Do you understand that? I hope so. Well, let's come out with 4 different conditions of present continuous. The first one is happening now. मतलब क्या है कि present continuous एक ऐसे टेंस की तरफ की बात करता है जिसमें अभी वो काम चल रहा हो. For example, at this time I am talking to you. So the sentence I am talking to you is a present continuous. Second thing is temporary situations. मतलब वो actions या वो situations जो कि frequently change हो रही हो या बहुत short time के लिए हो. For an example, she is mopping the floor. My sister is washing utensils. ये एक ऐसी situation है जो कि temporary situations में काउंट की जाती हैं, जो कि थोड़े अर्से बाद या थोड़े टाइम के बाद ये चेंज हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज चेंजिंग सिचुएशंस. कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशंस होती हैं जो कि फ्रीक्वेंटली चेंज होती रहती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉय इज ग्रोइंग अप डे बाय डे. दीज डेज आई एम मेकिंग वीडियोज फॉर यूट्यूब. मतलब इससे पहले मैं ये नहीं करता था, बट नाउ द सिचुएशन इज गेटिंग चेंज. The weather is getting hot day by day. Weather दिन ब दिन गर्म होता जा रहा है. मतलब ये एक ऐसी situations हैं जो कि frequently change होती रहती हैं. Last is definite future plans. आप present continuous का tense future plans के लिए भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. वो कैसे? For an example, I'm asking you, are you going university tomorrow? क्या तुम कल university जा रहे हो? So definitely you will say, yes, I am going university tomorrow. I'm going university जा रहा हूँ. So in this way you can also talk about future plans. So let's come to the major part of present continuous कि present continuous का structure क्या होता है. So the first thing is that subject. After that is am are. This is the major part you use in present continuous. हेल्पिंग वर्ब इसमें is, am और are इस्तेमाल होते हैं. is किसके साथ इस्तेमाल होगा? with he, she, it and third person singular noun. am always with I. are with we, you, they and third person plural noun. After that you have to use verb ing. Verb ing means if the first form is play, so verb ing, playing, read, reading, sleep, sleeping, argue, arguing, agree, agreeing, watch, watching, sleep, sleeping. So these all are verb ing forms, and after that you will have to use object. Let's see an example here. He is making a plan. He is making a plan. Here, he is a subject. Is a helping verb. Making is a verb ing. And plan is an object. So here you can see, he is making a plan. It's a present continuous sentence. One more thing I would like to share here, that present continuous का दूसरा नाम present progressive भी है. In most of the grammar book you will find the word present continuous, and in most of the books you will find the word present progressive. Okay, so here you can see I'm giving you some examples again of each situations. First situation is happening now. आप इसके साथ now का word लगा सकते हैं, currently का word लगा सकते हैं, right? For example, she is currently studying in Karachi University. I am talking to you now. We are going to park now. Temporary situation. इसके लिए आप these days या nowadays का word लगा सकते हैं. For example, your friend is asking, what are you doing nowadays? आजकल तुम क्या कर रहे हो? Nowadays, I am learning English from Sir Kashif Hussain. That's me. Temporary situation में एक word और use कर सकते हैं, that is these days. These days, we are watching movies. These days, I am preparing for my exams, which isn't good for me. Next is changing situation, जो कि situations change होती रहती हैं. यहाँ पर आप कुछ words ऐसे use कर सकते हैं कि now or developing. For example, Karachi is developing nowadays. We are manufacturing new garments for young gents. Definite future plans, जिसमें आप future के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. You can even talk about after a week in present continuous. आप एक हफ्ते बाद की बात भी कर सकते हैं. Where are you going next week? Well, I'm going to park next week. Will you go with me? Do you understand? I hope so. So viewers, that's all for today. I hope you have understood present continuous. और अगर आपको इस present continuous के बारे में और कुछ जानना हो, so don't forget to subscribe my channel because in upcoming days I will share more videos regarding present continuous. Till then, if you like this video, don't forget to share it and thank you so much for watching it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.